Go, go. Maddie, come on. What is that? You say thank you, Easter Bunny?
There by your basket, let me see. Little smile, look at mommy.
He's a present. He's a present. That's yours. You got a chocolate Easter bunny. Keep open, you stinky head. Thank you, Easter bunny.
Mad Dog. Mad Dog. Mad Dog.
What?
Can you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
Thank you, Easter bunny.
Mm.
Dada, can you open this? Let's open
Yeah.
this. Let's open this back. What?
Cool.
Let's open this. Thank you.
You can open it. Here, you open it.
Mama.
Here, mommy.
Whoa, bubbles. That's what I call it. Harrison gave us Harrison. He gave us that. Look at this to me. Oh, I got a big Easter girl. Yeah. I wanted that. Thank you. What is it? What in the world is it? What is it? What are these? What are these? What are limbs?
What is that?
The limbs.
Cool.
I like oh my gosh! What is this?
Jump rope.
What?
It's a jump rope.
Yeah, I wanted a jump rope. I wanted jump rope. But I didn't want to show how to. I got two chocolate bunnies. Ooh. This is crazy.
We'll open that later.
It's open this. It's open that. Open that.
Now, so that turns the day turns itself.